Hello everyone, this is Mandeep. Just want to let you guys know that I actually started a new YouTube channel and it's called Trubicars. So you can see that on the screen here. So please subscribe to this new YouTube channel because I'm adding a lot of new videos on this channel. And the videos will be in English language, Punjabi and Hindi as well. And I will be working with a lot of other driving instructors as well. So we will add car videos, truck videos, motorcycle videos, and they will be done in different parts of Canada, like all over Canada, USA, and some other countries as well. So please subscribe to this new channel. You can simply go on YouTube and just search Trubicars, and you should be able to see this channel. So I already added a couple videos here, and I will be adding a lot more videos. So every day I'm adding at least 2 or 3 new videos on this channel. All right, so thank you very much, and I will see you guys on this new channel now.